Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Safety Tips tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview of content on the left and set a custom name for your feed on the right. Click the Customize this feed button to set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, and JSON data. Click the Create Feed button to create your Safety Tips feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.